Hello and welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to be altering this small trinket box, and I was inspired by the mood board that we have at Finnabare's art collective group, which is a part of being her Patreon member. So this mood board colors, the turquoise, the purple and the sea elements really inspired me. First up, I'm using this drywall tape, also known as the Aero tape, cutting it down into small random pieces and gluing it onto the sides of my box directly using white gesso. This just gives me my first element of texture, and I really like how it looks when I begin adding color later on. With that done, that's a look at my first layer. And now I'm just going to go in with white crackle paste with a palette knife and randomly spread it again across all the sides and surface of my box. This would give me some really amazing cracks once they dry and just bring in more texture on my box. Now behind camera I was just picking out elements, and here I have some chipboard from Fabrika decorum, the Mermaid chipboard from Mudra crafts, some seashells and random elements that would be good to depict the sea. Once I just played with my arrangement and composition of where I'd like every element, I'm just going to use some tacky glue and glue them all down. At this stage, it's also a good idea to use some heavy body gel. However, because my surface is so small and the elements that I'm using are real tiny, I felt using tacky glue worked well for me. In the same way, I'm just adding some mini art stones as well as regular art stones by Finnabare to complete my composition. With all the elements glued down and dry, now I'm just going to cover them all with white gesso. This will help bring in an even surface, also prime all my elements. I'm using Lindy's squirts as well as sprays. The colors are listed in the description box below with links to buy them to add my color. So I just begin with a nice turquoise blue, adding in between all the elements and drying that before I proceed with the next color. The Looney Toony teal brings in the darker tone of blue that I'd like for my base. Once I'm happy with my turquoise and teal colors, I just spray a little bit of the purple directly where my focal elements are to create that contrast. In the same way, I'm also coloring the sides of the box and adding the same three colors to complete the box. With that done, now it's time to highlight all this beautiful texture. So for that, I'm just going to use Finnabare white gold wax with a paintbrush and gently dry brush on all the elements, the seashells, the ferns, the crackle texture that I have, the art stones, because this just highlights it and makes sure that all the beautiful texture pops out. complete the box, I'm just gluing down the mermaid as well as using some glossy accent and Finnabair art glitter in the shades of blue and purple to bring about that shine and that glitter that would just make everything sparkle. I also add a word to just give meaning to my box. So that's a look at the completed box. This was a quick and easy project that I've created after a really long time, just to have fun, to actually literally explore and enjoy. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video today. Do like and subscribe to the channel. Do leave a comment if you enjoy such videos. Your feedback and your comments truly mean a lot to me. Until the next time, take care and bye-bye.